Hello everyone, this is Wiz here. I just want to show you how you can make a dynamic throwing redeem with a soundbite in addition to the Twitch integrated throwing system. So this is a little bit complex, but it's not too difficult. I can show you how this is done. So like for instance, I have a water bottle throwing redeem where it says everybody hydrate, and that's a soundbite that's from Sound Alerts. So I'll show you how this is done here. The important thing is that you set it up within Sound Alerts first. So you need the soundbite that you want to tie to your throwing redeem set up within the Sound Alerts button first. So let me show you this here. I'll show you, for example, my redeem that I have is Everyone Hydrate. And this is a button that I had to set up first. So you would click Add New Button. And then you title it the same exact thing that you're going to title it in Twitch Integrated Throwing System. And that's very important because otherwise it doesn't work. Um, so you set that up, and then you go over here to the throwing system, and you want to go into your trigger manager, and you create a new trigger. Under trigger options, you're going to title this whatever you want it to be. Like for the one that I had set up, it'd be Everyone Hydrate. So you keep it like that. Set your object like a water bottle or whatever. I'm going to delete this because I already had this set up here. This is what I have here. This was just an additional one that I made for tutorial purposes. But with this here, uh, the redeem title, once you set up the redeem title within the Twitch integrated throwing system and named it the same exact thing as what you have in the sound alerts button that's been added to your dashboard, it should tie it together. So, like for instance, for mine, when I hit this button, when I have someone redeem this, it will throw those water bottles, which is this object over here, water bottle, and it will play the sound bite first from sound alerts. Have run into some issues with this before, but I should be able to help anybody through it. It's just a very simple matter of making sure that everything is set up in a certain sequence. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, if you want to have a sound bite play along with your throwing redeem, you go to sound alerts first, make a new button, and this adds this button from channel points to your Twitch dashboard. And then you just create the throwing redeem from the Twitch integrated throwing system program and title it the exact same name as the soundbite. I hope this tutorial helped you and will help you make some more interesting interactions on your channel. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again sometime soon. Probably live. Hope to see you in chat. Bye bye.